Learn how to make delicious roasted cherry tomatoes from scratch.
Hey there, it's Jenna from Sit Bite Go, and today I'm going to show you how to make really easy roasted cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes right on the stove. All you need is some olive oil and garlic and any sort of spices you want, or you could just use salt and pepper. It just takes about 5 minutes to go from cute little raw tomatoes to blistered tomatoes that you can put in pasta dishes, on salads, or just on a steak or a chicken. So I'm going to take you in the kitchen and show you how to make them. Here we go.
So you can use a full carton, but I started with 2 cups cherry tomatoes and some olive oil in a pan. Next I added a mixture of salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper, and I stirred that around for about 3 minutes. You want to let the cherry tomatoes sit and then stir, and then let them sit and then stir them again for a couple minutes. And over time the cherry tomatoes will start to wrinkle and they'll start to roast and break down and get nice and soft and juicy. After a few minutes, it's time to add the crushed garlic. You can either mince this yourself or buy it in a jar, and also add the tablespoon of butter. Now you want to turn the heat down to medium-low so the garlic doesn't burn, and you're only going to stir it around for about 30 to 60 seconds. Again, take it off if it looks like it's going to burn. At the end, you're left with a bunch of delicious roasted, wrinkly cherry tomatoes. Roasted cherry tomatoes are great in eggs and all sorts of things.
Well, I hope that I've inspired you to go from little tiny cute tomatoes to tomatoes that seem a little bit more gourmet, that just take a few minutes. Until next recipe, I will see you at sitbitego.com. Hope you have a wonderful day. Cheers!